Light Sweet Crude, daily forecast, May 4th, FXEmpire.com. Light Sweet Crude fell hard on Thursday as several different bearish factors came to light. The Nigerians have indicated that they are expanding production to 4 million barrels per day by the end of the decade, and OPEC officials stated that they are not comfortable with prices being as high as they have been lately. In fact, OPEC is drilling more. They seem to indicate that $100 a barrel is roughly where they want to see oil, and it looks likely that we will at least attempt to make it down there. Of course, the bearish action comes just one day before the non-farm payroll release, and this announcement will be vital to the markets in general, not just the oil markets, the stock markets, currency markets, everything else, as the Federal Reserve is known to have additional tools available if the economy needs more easing. Needless to say, if the economy has produced very weak job numbers out of America in April, the market would interpret this as a strong signal of easing to come. That in turn would weaken the dollar, and in turn would strengthen the price of oil that has to be bought in those dollars. The situation in the Middle East, of course, has been quiet lately, and it's been overshadowed by a lot of different things. But the Iranians and Western powers are supposed to meet in a couple weeks, and any jawboning between now and then could, of course, rattle the markets higher as well. The fall on Thursday is strong, but there is obvious support down to the 100 mark, and for our money, the floor is right around 95. Having said that, it's very difficult to short this contract. If the jobs numbers come out rather strong, there's a real chance that we could see oil drift lower as the dollar could strengthen. Of course, if it's horrible, oil could spike. As a result, though, we recommend staying flat until we see the reaction on Friday. It is very likely to be very volatile in the oil markets after the non-farm payroll report. The extremely bearish candle, though, does suggest that perhaps we will fall.